Imagine that your biggest enemy isn't the devil. Every addiction and every moment of laziness isn't actually Shaitan whispering in your ear. You see, you've been told to have truth because 90% of the battle is actually you. There is a dictator living inside your chest, and depending on which level you're at, it's either saving your life or leading you straight to a cliff. Assalamu alaikum. In Islam, the Nafs isn't just a soul. It's a living, breathing system that evolves. It has 7 distinct levels. Some people spend their entire lives trapped at level 1, wondering why they feel so empty. Others, they've reached level 4 and found a peace that no amount of money can buy. Today, we are going to run a diagnostic on your heart. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which level you are on and how to level up before it's too late. Level 1, the commander. This is Nafs al-Amara. At this stage, your soul is a tyrant. It doesn't suggest you look at that haram image, it commands it. Here is the scary part. At level 1, you feel 0 guilt. The alarm system of your heart is dead. You sin and you sleep like a baby. You're in a spiritual prison, but you've fallen in love with the chains. But then, something shifts. You reach level 2, Nafs al-Lawama, the reproaching soul. This is the awakening. You still sin, you still fail, but now, you hate yourself for it. You lie in bed at night with a heavy chest, asking Allah for forgiveness. Most people think this guilt is a bad thing. It's actually a miracle. The pain you feel after a sin is proof that your heart is still alive. If you feel that sting of regret, congratulations, you've already cleared the hardest jump in the entire system. Level 3, the intuition. This is where things get interesting. Nafs al-Mulhama. At this stage, the gray areas of life start to clear up. You find yourself wanting to pray. You find yourself wanting to give. But be careful, this is where pride hides. You start thinking, I'm better than them. You start looking down on people at level 1. This is the ego trap. To move to level 4, you have to kill your ego entirely. Level 4 is the point of no return. Nafs al-Mutmaina. At this state, the noise of the world finally goes quiet. Imagine your phone battery is at 1%, you've lost your job, and everything is going wrong, but inside, you feel nothing but silence. No panic, no anxiety. You aren't trying to be a good Muslim anymore, it's just who you are. It's like a deep breath of oxygen after being underwater for years. Then comes level 5, Nafs al-Radiya. At this stage, you aren't just handling pain, you actually welcome it. Why? Because you've realized a secret. Every trial is a coded message from your king. When a level 5 soul faces a crisis, they don't ask, why me? They smile and they say, I trust the one who gave it and I trust the one who took it. You have finally stopped arguing with your destiny. Level 6 is Nafs al-Mardiya. This is where things get supernatural. Not only are you pleased with Allah, but Allah is pleased with you. Your intuition becomes a weapon. You find yourself saying the right thing at the right time to the right person. You are a mirror reflecting the character of the Prophet in everything you do. Level 7, the peak. Nafs al-Kamila. At level 7, the self is dead. There is no I, no me, and no mine. There is only Allah. You are a pure vessel. While most of us are just trying to survive level 1, this peak exists to show us what a human being is truly capable of. It is the finish line of the greatest race you will ever run. So, where are you on the map? The Nafs is a muscle. It only grows when you resist it. Every time you say no to a bad habit, you gain XP to level up. Don't let your soul be a dictator. Turn it into a servant. Start the climb today, because the version of you waiting at level 7 is the version you were always meant to be. May Allah purify us all. Wassalamu alaikum.